Hello, in this video we're going to explore how to use the Scenes feature in Trupeer. Once you're on the edit page, head over to the script section, where you'll notice an Add button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from there, select the Add Scenes option. Now, you'll see that scenes are automatically added to the scripts. If you want to add a template or a video to a specific scene, simply click on the plus symbol. This will redirect you to the Scenes video. Inside the scenes, you have the option to upload a custom background. You can select different backgrounds according to your preference. If you'd like to add text, just scroll down and click on the text box. A text box will appear. Double-click on it to enter your text. Once you've finished, click on Save. You can also adjust the text fonts. Just click on the Fonts option here and select the font you prefer. Font size can be adjusted, and you can change the font color as well. If you want to make the text bold, just click on the Bold option. To convert text to italic, click on the Italic option. If you want to add a transition to a specific scene, select the Transition option. You'll find options for entry and exit transitions. For the entry transition, choose the style, duration, and direction. Similarly, select the exit transition by choosing its style, duration, and direction. Once you're done, click on the Save option. That will save your changes. You can also adjust the duration of the scene by dragging and dropping the slide. If you want to upload a logo for the existing template, click on the existing logo. It will appear, and you can drag and drop it wherever you need it. This way, you can adjust the logo. If you'd like to upload a new one, click on Upload a New Logo. Similarly, if you want to delete the existing text, just select it and click on the Delete option. You can delete the logo too. Simply select the logo and click on the Delete icon. And if you want to add a particular video to the scenes, just go to the Custom Media section and upload a visual video. Trupeer supports MP4 format. Just upload your video, or if you have an existing video, select it. You'll see it play here. If you'd like to adjust the audio settings for a video, under the Audio settings, click on the Modifier options. Here, you'll notice the system audio is enabled by default, and you can also adjust the scene volume. To include AI voiceover, simply click on the AI voiceover checkbox and enter your prompt. Once you're done, click on the Save option. Now, you'll see the scene automatically added to the video. Now, I will play the scene for you to see. This is how you can utilize the Scene feature in Trupeer. Thank you.